Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacey, creator at MotherNaked, and I talk about selling candles, candle making and making money from home. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's new, it's at MotherNaked Candles. And if you're interested in my weight loss and pregnancy journey, please follow me at TrynaBeAMama at Instagram and YouTube. So today, you read it right, I want to talk about candle frosting and why I actually like it. I get a question about candle frosting at least once a month by people, how to stop it. And my response is always, why would you want to stop it? And after I've said that, 9 times out of 10, people go, why, what is it? Because they only want to stop it because online says so, that you should stop candle frosting and then it doesn't look pretty or it ruins your candle. But I think the opposite. I think candle frosting is pretty damn cool. I'm sick to death of people throwing candles out and products out that don't live up to the acceptance or the expectation of the masses. Oh, it looks a little bit weird. Throw it out. No, don't do that. It's not sustainable, it's not environmentally friendly, and it pees me off. It's silly. Now, I'm talking about from the perspective of a clear glass and white wax. If you're using colours in your candles, then I can see why that you'd have a kind of hissy fit about frosting, because sometimes they can look like they've been in a meat grinder. So I get that, in which case I'm going to tell you 3 things to do that will solve it. 1, preheat your containers to 100 Fahrenheit. 2, pour your wax at a low temperature, I'm talking about 120 Fahrenheit. And 3, mix your fragrance oil with your wax really slowly. I can't stress that enough. And do it for about 2 minutes, like this motion, really slowly. And that'll help with your air bubble situation as well. But do all those 3 things, you shouldn't get candle frosting when you're using colours in your candles. But for those of you working with a white wax, please don't throw your candles out because they have a little bit of frosting on them. There's really no need, and I'm going to save you time and the energy and the stress by telling you why. So when you pour your wax, mainly plant-based wax, so soy wax, vegetable wax, into your glass jar or your ceramic container, and you allow it to cool down, you may see this crystal coating going on the sides of your jar. This is known as frosting. People think it looks ugly and it's not, and it's a poorly made candle. It is not. Frosting is actually the opposite. It's a natural process. All that's happening is the wax is trying to return back to its natural form and it forms crystals. That's it. It doesn't affect your scent throw. It doesn't affect the performance of the candle. Your candle is really good. In fact, frosting actually means that your candle is 100% natural wax, and it means that you're using fragrance oils that aren't full of loads of synthetic crap. It means that you're doing a good job for your customers' well-being and the environment. So stop trying to stop it, is my advice. Just let it be, and if you're bothered about what your customers will think, just put it on your website like I have on mine. I know it's not live yet, but it's all done. And I've put an extract on mine saying, please bear in mind when purchasing from us that we like our candles to be as natural as possible. And with this comes slight imperfections like candle frosting. It means candle frosting is not uncommon or something like that. Thank you. That's all you need to say, so you're covered by them. So when they buy your candle, they know what's coming, basically. And it's a natural product, and you've made a really cool candle. So I hope that's calmed your nerves about candle frosting. I watched one lady on YouTube and she'd made like 15 candles or something like that, and they all had a bit of frosting, and she was panicking so much, and all I wanted to tell her was, it's fine, dude, put your label on. It's not a bad thing. And what I tend to do is a little trick, because I'm not asked about candle frosting. What I like to do for the people that like take pictures and put them on Instagram, of course I love to do it as well, and people generally don't want to see loads of frosting on the glass. You are right by that. But what you can do so people can take nice pictures and there's still being a little bit of frosting is get a bigger label for your jar, especially if you're using a clear glass like I have. Just get a bigger label so at the front it looks perfection. and people can take pictures of your candles happily without there being any there. And then at the back, try and put wherever your candle frosting is at the back of the jar. So it's a win-win really. Everyone gets a nice little picture, and if there's a little bit of candle frosting at the bottom or sides of your jar, then who really cares? Not me. And that's it. I just really wanted to give my 10 cents about candle frosting and how you shouldn't be having kind of panic attacks about it, because I certainly don't. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like this video if you've liked it, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and bye! Mwah!